are so excited. We have a new return chute here at Unley, and it's really easy. Place your item on here, the chute opens, and in it goes. There are 3 ways to open our return chute. First one is the item. Scan, and in it goes. The second way to open the chute is your library card. Scan, then place your book through. And the third way we can return is using your library's SA app. Once you're in your app, go to My Barcode, your barcode will come up, scan, book goes in. You will find a return chute here at Unley Library and another one at Goodwood Library. Enjoy returning.